Big momentum is hitting the Upstate, right here in Fountain Inn. EPC Power has just opened a brand new 167,000 square foot manufacturing facility, marking their second plant in South Carolina. This expansion is projected to bring 275 new jobs to our community, driving demand for housing, neighborhoods, and lifestyle amenities across the Upstate. For buyers, sellers, and investors, that means fresh opportunity, new families relocating, rising interest in local properties, and a growing need for expert guidance. At mydigitallisting.com, powered by LPT Realty, Jennifer Taberski and Philip Rispoli combine decades of experience with cutting-edge digital marketing to help you move smart in a fast-changing market. EPC Power's growth is just the beginning. Now's the time to position yourself for what's next in Fountain Inn and beyond. Explore Upstate opportunities. Contact Jennifer direct at 864-735-1111 today.